This is a Corona Silent with these, I think it's actually 1940s. It has these beautiful glass keys. Well, there's an issue with the case here. This handle is designed to go here, and I drilled out the rivets that were in here. It's important that the typewriter can mount. This is the base piece, and then the cover goes over the top of it. Well, these are stripped off. This ripped off over the years, and these rivets will fit nicely, but I don't want them to fit nicely. I want them to fit securely. So I'm going to take some of this JB Weld Quickwood and mix it together. I just want to make sure that it comes together really nicely and it's a uniform. Okay, so you mash it in really, really well so it's nice and even and it can lay flush. And yes, you'll notice that there's a little bit around, because the most important thing here is that you get it into that crevice so that it can set. And what it will do is it will chemically bond with the wood of the existing case, and it will effectively create wood that you can secure these rivets into, and it will be securely mounted like this. This I actually re-riveted back into place because these rivets had also popped out. It can be a little bit confusing because typewriter cases work the opposite of regular suitcases, where it's actually the smaller piece is the bottom and the larger piece is the top. So a lot of people intuitively will put the bottom of the case as the top, which will actually put a lot of pressure and stress on these because the typewriter is actually locked in, and that will cause these rivets to pop out of. And as you can see here, I did the same thing, but there's no sign of this. All right, kids, here's how you rivet. You take your rivet gun and you place the rivet long side down. Then you're going to grip it to hold it in place. You're going to put it in place into the hole. This is fairly difficult to do one-handed, but I'm going to do my best. Here. There we go. You want to push it all the way in there, and then you're going to just squeeze really hard. And if the end doesn't come off, you're going to do it again until it pops off. There you go. And now you have two rivets. And in this instance, I opted to do it while the Quickwood, before it had set, because what it will do is it'll set around these rivets. And there we have a repaired Smith Corona Super Silent case.